Hey yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to the seventh episode of Backtesting my Forex strategy step by step, guys. So, as you all know, guys, on episode 4, we've backtested AUDJPY, episode 5, we've backtested GBP-JPY, episode 6, we've backtested CHF-JPY, and on today's episode, guys, we're gonna be backtesting AUDJPY. So, before we get any further into the video, guys, if you're new to this channel, please do me and yourself a favor by hitting that subscribe button, guys, and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. You understand me? So I'm just gonna go on the 1 hour time frame. As you know, guys, the reason for this is I want to see where the market ends, right? So I can mark it and go back on the 4 hour time frame. You get me? So let's just do that real quick, guys. Simple stuff. Okay, this is where the market ends, right? This is where the market ends. So we're just gonna go on the 4 hour time frame and see if we can identify any market structure, guys. You understand me? Remember, guys, the first step is to identify your market structure, right? So do we have any market structure here? We can see that price here is kind of going up, right? Building up these higher highs and higher lows. So if we try to identify our market structure, let me just remove that. If we just try to identify our market structure just from here, we can see that, okay, do we have a proper trend line? Yes, guys. Why do I say that? Because you can see that we clearly have a what? We clearly have a first touch here. We have a second touch here. Remember, guys, 2 touches of the trend line makes the trend line valid. You understand me? And obviously now we have a third touch right over here. And the third touch, that's where we start looking for what? For our entry point. So on the third touch, guys, we're gonna what? We're gonna now look for our support and resistance and also our candlestick pattern. You understand me? In case of support and resistance, do we have any support and resistance? I think we do, guys. If you can see properly from here, stretching all the way to there, we can see that, okay, we have a clean support level. Why do I say that, guys? Because you can see that price here rejected once, price here rejected twice, right? You only need 2 rejections of support / resistance in order for it to be valid. Hence we do have making this whole support / resistance valid. You understand me? This is why you can see that price even respected here, even respected here, even here it respected, and now on our third touch it respected. You understand me? So now we have 2 confluences that, okay, price might actually just go up. What do we have to look for now? We have to look for our candlestick patterns. On the 4 hour time frame, do we have any candlestick patterns? Of course we do, guys. We have a bullish engulfing candlestick, but it wouldn't have to go on the 1 hour time frame, guys, to see if we can identify any sort of candlestick patterns so we can find early trades, guys, unlike finding entries on the 4 hour time frame. You understand me? So let's just do that real quick. Let's see if we have any candlestick patterns on the 1 hour time frame. Lovely, guys. If you can see properly, guys, we have a what? We have a bearish candlestick right here, followed by a small bearish candlestick too, and then after that we have a long bullish candlestick that's almost the same size as this bearish candlestick, right? So we identify this as a what? As a morning star candlestick pattern, guys. You understand me? If you still don't know anything about patterns, guys, make sure you watch, I think it's episode 3. Make sure you watch episode 3 of the backtest series. You understand me? But then if you don't see this as a morning star candlestick pattern, you can also identify it as a what? As an engulfing bar. Why do I say that? Because the current bullish candlestick closed above the open of the previous bearish candlestick. So if I were to take my trades right over here, guys, obviously now I would have had my stop loss below the bearish engulfing candlestick. You understand me? And TP, guys, you know we always target our highs, guys, and if we targeted our high right over there, you can see we would have had a nice 3% trade, guys. Why? Simply because you understand market structure, simply because you understand support and resistance, simply because you understand what? Candlestick patterns. You understand me? So moving on, guys, we go back to the 4 hour time frame. Try to identify as many market structures as we can. You understand me, guys? Like, it's that simple, guys. I don't think that you should complicate things. Let's see if we can identify any market structure from here now. Okay, looking at price, guys, I don't see anything from here. It happens, you understand me, that sometimes you're gonna spend days without having to identify anything. You understand me? Which is totally fine, guys. Like, don't feel weird about it. You understand me? Like, don't feel weird about it, guys. Like, just keep it a buck, man. Just keep it a buck. So if we can able to identify things properly here, guys, we can see that, okay, here we do have a market structure. Why do I say that, guys? Because we have a what? We have a first touch here, we have a second touch. Remember, the second touch, guys, confirms your trend line. Then we have a third touch right over here. Third touch, that's where we start looking for what? For our entry point. So in order for us to confirm our entry point, we have to obviously use other confluences of the strategy. You understand me, guys? So using other confluences of the strategy, guys, we can be able to see that, okay, in terms of support and resistance, guys, we do have a what? We do have a support level right over here, right? Let me just stretch it so you can be able to see. Why do I say that this support level is valid, guys? Because we can clearly see that price rejected here once, rejected here twice, right? You only need 2 rejections, guys, to confirm whether support and resistance is valid. In this case, you can see we have 2 rejections, making this support level a valid one. You understand me? So now we can see that we have what? We have market structure, we have support level, and then we're gonna look for what? For our candlestick pattern. Do we have any candlestick pattern on the 4-hour time frame? Of course we do, guys. If you can look at price properly, guys, we do have a what? We do have an inside bar candlestick right over there, right? An inside bar, what do we know about that, guys? We do know that an inside bar is an indecisive candlestick, and you have to wait for the next bullish candlestick to appear, right? So we do have a next bullish candlestick, and I wouldn't mind taking my entries on the 4-hour time frame, guys. Reason being is because there is to reward, guys. It makes sense, you understand me? So in this case, guys, like, there's no need for me to go on the 1-hour time frame in order for me to confirm my trades. And you can see, like, literally, bro, if we would have taken our trades here, we would have bagged 7%, like, literally, dog. Simply why? Because you understand market structure, you understand support and resistance, you understand candlestick patterns. You understand me? Like, guys, it's that simple. Like, you don't even have to complicate anything, guys. This is why price literally shot up, because of simple stuff. You understand me? So moving on, guys, let's just find 1 or 2 more examples, and then we can cut the video short, guys. You know, the reason for that is because I don't want to spoon feed you guys. I want you guys to backtest on your own. You understand me? I want you guys to finish the pair on your own, guys. You understand me? So here we do see that we don't have any market structure. It happens. You understand me, guys? If you don't have market structure, don't force anything, bro, because the moment you start forcing things, that's where things go to hell. Like I tell you, things go to hell when you try to force the market. You understand me? So here, if we try to identify any market structure, guys, okay, we can be able to identify this as a market structure. Why do I say that, guys? Because we have a what? We have a first touch right over here, we have a second touch right over here. 2 touches make the trend line valid. You understand me? And we have a third touch, guys. The third touch, that's where we start looking for what? For our entry point. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna simply identify our support and resistance, guys. In terms of support and resistance, we do see that here we do have a support level, but on our third touch, guys, price failed to reach the support level, but we do have 2 rejections making the support level valid. You understand me? But it's okay, guys. Sometimes it happens. So let's just go on the 1-hour time frame and see if we can find anything. You understand me? So on the 1-hour time frame, guys, in terms of support and resistance, I don't think there's anything that we can use right over there. I don't think there's... Okay, guys, let me just do this. Let's see if we can try to use this one right over here. Okay, guys, in terms of support and resistance, we do see that we have support and resistance. Why do I say so, guys? We do have a rejection here, we have a rejection here, so we need 2 rejections to make our support and resistance valid, right? In this case, guys, we do have 2 rejections, so obviously now this support is a valid one. You understand me? So in terms of candlestick patterns, guys, we do see that we have a what? We have a nice pin bar candlestick, guys. You know, pin bar, it acts exactly the same as an inside bar. For me, it's like an indecisive candlestick. You have to wait for what? For the next bullish candlestick. Do we have a next bullish candlestick? Of course we do, guys. And if we were to take our trades from there, guys, obviously if we were to have our stop loss there, which would have been wide, it would have been a wide stop loss. Let's see. If we target our high right over there, we still would have bagged 3%, guys. Like, literally, bro, we still would have bagged 3%, regardless of the stop loss, right? Simply why? Because you understand market structure, you understand support and resistance, and you understand candlestick patterns. Like, guys, it's that simple. So, guys, I'm just gonna end the video right here. What I want you guys to do right now is simply backtest this pair on your own, guys. You understand me? Backtest it all the way to current data and see if this pair would be the pair that you would trade using the strategy. You understand me, guys? So yeah, man, make sure you like, guys, make sure you subscribe if you're new to this channel, and most importantly, guys, don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think about today's video. You understand me, guys? Otherwise, man, it's your boy. Let's to the EGO. Yes, sir.